New fences are fantastic and necessary, but they can be really costly, especially with the cost of steel posts. Not only that, but when you put in a new fence, you've got heaps of these lying around. What if you could turn this into that, saving 75% on the cost of steel posts? Let's go and talk to a bloke who reckons he's got the answer when it comes to reusing second-hand steel posts. Rob, old fences straightening posts. There's a few of you about, mate.
Yeah, there's a few getting about.
Mate, it's a fascinating machine. How long have these things been around for?
So the first design was in 1903.
Seriously, that long ago?
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
And there's no wonder there's a few getting about the country. Fantastic retirement plan to get yourself off the fence line.
Yeah.
Drive around the country, save people money, and get to meet fantastic people and see amazing things.
Correct, yeah.
Sounds really Aussie to me.
Sounds like a good plan.
Does. Now, not every post can be rescued. People have to have reasonable expectations when they get their posts straightened, and you've got a few examples at the back. Let's have a talk to them, then let's crank up the machine and see what you can do.
No worries, let's get into it.
So Rob, we've got a fair collection of bent posts.
Yeah, we've got a few here.
Animals put them under a bit of strain, don't they? And the worst animals are human.
Yeah.
Mate, so this is bent like a C. You reckon that's not going to be a problem at all?
Not a problem at all.
What about posts like this one that are not only bent in one direction, but they're also spiralled?
No, not a problem at all. We can fix him up, no worries at all.
Is there anything you can't fix and that people should be concerned about?
Yeah, so this one here, as you can see, it's been grabbed with a 4-in-1 bucket. We can't fix that. That's the only thing that really stops the machine.
So 4-in-1 buckets are the enemy of posts, mate. People should invest in a tiny little post lifting tool, stick that on their 4-in-1 bucket and just pull them out of the ground.
Yeah, just with a chain, just pull them straight up.
And as long as they do that, you reckon you can fix 99% of all post problems?
Yep, not a worry at all.
Now, how much do you charge per post at the moment?
So $2.50 to straighten each post.
And black posts are going for about $10 each at the moment, aren't they?
Yeah.
So it's a 75% saving, roughly.
Yep.
And how many posts can you do in an hour?
We can, it all depends on how badly they are, how bad bent they are.
Yep.
But we can do about 1,000 to 11 to 1,200 a day. So,
right.
Yep.
So if people have got a fair trough of these sitting on pellets out the back of the shed, you want to hear from them.
Yep. Kicker in the guts, Barry. For our little mate that got grabbed with the 4-in-1, this is what happens. So as you just saw, it won't actually pass through the machine.
Well, Rob, there you go. Money saved, posts rescued from being scrapped.
Yeah.
And they live to fight again another day. I mean, they're not new. There are slight imperfections. But they're going to work.
They'll work.
And they're going to hold up and they're going to make a nice straight fence. And that's what really counts, isn't it?
Yeah, and at the end of the day, save your money.
Exactly. Now, people that are using their front end loader grab to pull steel posts out of the ground, they are destroying them.
Yes.
They need to go and get a proper post puller. They're not much money. There's a link at the end of this video to a review on what I reckon is the best post puller on the market in Australia at the moment. So people can have a look at that. They can get themselves geared up so that they can rescue their posts and save money.
Save money. That's what it comes down to.
There's the number, guys. Rob's contact details are also going to be in the description of the video, which is underneath just down there. Make sure you subscribe to the video and send this to a bloke who you reckon needs a good straight fence. Rob, thanks very much for your time, mate.
Thanks again, Tim.
All the best of luck with retirement.
Thank you.